A forest bird never wants a cage. Here is Sandhya Lokre with you all with a beautiful story, The Two Talking Birds. Quite a long time ago, there were two talking birds living with their parents. One day, their parents were out. A villager who had an eye on them caught the birds and caged them. One of the birds released from his cage and reached to the hermitage. There it was welcomed and had some food. He lived happily there. On the other side, a traveler reached to the other bird. He was so shocked to see the bird was talking. But after few moments, he got angry because that bird spoke so rudely to the traveler. Traveler left that place and he also reached to the hermitage. There he recognized similar talking bird, but this bird was talking so respectfully. He was highly impressed. So the moral of the story is a good company gives you a good way of behaving, but a bad company gives you a bad way of behaving. Thank you.